Alright, this one here has multiple internal boxes inside. Again, it looked like it had an easy ride here. Rather heavy. One, and I got two. Alright, I gotta save all this in case there's any damage or missing stuff. Alright, these two inner boxes have sleeves on them. I'm trying to wrangle off. And there was some damage. This one here kind of whacked. I'm gonna see. Looks like we can just pull lids off of these here, I believe. Or these spring open, one or the other. This is the one that took a hit. Yep. Bolts. Okay, one rifle. And a second rifle. And that's it for this box. So let me clear it out of the way. Alright, now for this box. Okay. One bayonet. Second bayonet. One rifle. A bolt. And another rifle. Okay, clear that out of the way and we'll start unwrapping. Alright, now we're down to the last two. Get the bolt on there. Alright. One bolts. Shit everywhere. Okay, we have a 1870-87. This one is the only one I have that says made in Italy. So this means probably came out of Spain. Beautiful bore on it. Nice stock marks on there. So this one's a variance, something unusual we can lecture on. Yeah. All of these other than the 115, I can't get a look at the bolt. All of these guns have excellent bores on them, so I'm more than satisfied with my purchase. Okay, so there. We got a 1870-87. And not terrible shape. I have better examples. This one's a little worn. Of course, like I said, it was in the Spanish Civil War with the markings, but different markings, not in terrible shape. So we're pleased on that. And like I said, just about all of these other than the one I couldn't look down have an excellent bore on them. Alright, last one. Gonna unravel this thing for the bolt here. Worn, but not in rotten shape. Get this out the way. Okay, what we have here got a screw missing. Nice looking weapon. This one here's got a little bit of pitting in the bore. So this one, but this is an extremely hard to find gun. So I'm going to live with this. I think I got a screw missing here. We can have one made up. Worst comes to worst. But yeah, got another problem with the sear on this one. Might be because it ain't tightened up good. But what we have here is Trooper Special with the magazine. Yeah. So I got 3 Troop TS's. This one looks like it was cobbed together from parts, the improper screws and shit in it. And one missing. And this is probably the one that's beat up the most out of the group, but also is one of the hardest ones to find in terms of these guns. So I'm very well pleased with it. Most of these are in good shape. This one here and one of the other ones, Troop Specials, they'll need a little bit of work, but nothing major, nothing horrible, cracking the stock here or something. So this is a really hard to find, unusual gun. Alright. Well, what I'll do is lay them out on the table and we'll take a look at what came in this whole package.